వెల్కమ్ టు జెస్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. మన ఛానల్ ద్వారా ఏకలవ్య మోడల్ రెసిడెన్స్ స్కూల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఐసీటీ బిట్స్ అయితే చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ప్రీవియస్గా 3 వీడియోస్ అయితే చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇది 4th వీడియో. 56th క్వశ్చన్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ హార్డ్వేర్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ ప్రాసెసర్, ఆప్షన్ బి ప్రింటర్, ఆప్షన్ సి మౌస్, ఆప్షన్ డి జావా. ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ డి జావా. 57th question, pointing devices includes the following except option A mouse, option B joystick, option C trackball, option D keyboard. Answer option D keyboard. 58th question, what type of device is a computer? Mouse. Option A output, option B input, option C software, option D storage. Answer option B input. 59th question, first computer mouse was built by option A Douglas Engelbart, option B William English, option C O'Neill Cougar, option D Robert Jockey. Answer option A Douglas Engelbart. 60 question, trackball is an example of option A programming device, option B pointing device, option C output device, option D software device. Answer option B pointing device. 61 question, a joystick is primarily used for option A control sound on the screen, option B computer gaming, option C enter text, option D draw pictures. Answer option B computer gaming. 62 question, which one of the following is not an output device? Option A projector, option B headphones, option C plotter, option D joystick. Answer option D joystick. 63 question, CAD stands for option A computer automatic design, option B computer aided record, option C computer automatic decode, option D computer aided design. Answer option D computer aided design. 64th question, a barcode reader is an example of option A processing device, option B storage device, option C input device, option D output device. Answer option C input device. 65th question, the OCR is used for the preparation of A option A electricity bills, option B insurance premium, option C telephone bills, option D all of these. Answer option D all of these. 66th question, what does MICR stands for? Option A magnetic ink character register, option B magnetic ink code reader, option C magnetic ink character recognition, option D magnetic ink cases reader. Answer option C magnetic ink character recognition. 67th question, which of the following converts analog information into digital form? Option A barcode reader, option B optical mark reading, option C digitizer, option D gamepad. Answer option C digitizer. 68th question, which among the following is the smallest unit in an image in a computer screen? Option A unit, option B pixel, option C array, option D resolution. Answer option B pixel. 69th question, what type of device is a computer monitor? Option A software, option B storage, option C input, option D output. Answer option D output. 70th question, soft copy refers to option A printed output, option B digitizing, option C music sounds, option D screen output. Answer option D screen output. 71 question, the CRT is dash in shape. Option A circular, ఆప్షన్ బి రెక్టాంగులర్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఎక్లిప్స్, ఆప్షన్ డి కోనికల్. ఆన్సర్ ఆప్షన్ బి రెక్టాంగులర్. 72 question. CRT has a option B hollow tube, option B vacuum tube, option C long tube, option D round tube. Answer option B vacuum tube. 73 question. Printer is an example of option A output device, option B input device, option C processing device, option D storage device. Answer option A output device. 74 question. What are the units used to count the speed of a printer? Option A CPM, option B DPI, option C PPM, option D bit. Answer option B DPI. 75 question. Dash printer cannot print more than one character at a time. Option A line, option B daisy wheel, option C laser, option D dot matrix. Answer option D dot matrix. 76 question. Dot matrix printer is option A unidirectional, option B bidirectional, option C sequential, option D random. Answer option B bidirectional. 77 question. Who invented the 3D printer? Option A Nick Holinick, option B Elias Howe, option C Chuck Hull, option D Christian Huygens. Answer option C Chuck Hull. 78 question. USB stands for option A Unicode Smart Bus, option B Universal Structural Bus, option C Universal Smart Bus, option D Universal Serial Bus. Answer option D Universal Serial Bus. 79th question. USB refers to option A storage device, option B a processor, option C a port type, option D a serial bus stand. Answer option C a port type. 80 question. For printing MICR characters, the ink used contains option A lead oxide, option B graphite, option C cuprous oxide, option D iron oxide. Answer option D iron oxide. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇలా ప్రతిరోజు కూడా ఏకలవ్య మోడల్ రెసిడెన్స్ స్కూల్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఐసీటీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే అప్లోడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఐసీటీతో పాటు జనరల్ అవేర్నెస్ ఇంకా మిగిలిన సబ్జెక్టులు కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేయబడతాయి. కాబట్టి మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.